Welcome everybody. This is the 32nd edition of the Vancouver Value Investors. Before I go into the introduction of what we do, I'd like to thank Theo Tonga and Edmond, CEO, for their help in making this event possible. Welcome again, everybody. Since we had a few new arrivals, I'd like to thank the assistant organizers for their help in putting this event together. First, I'll start with a disclaimer. This just basically says that we are a community nonprofit group. We are non-licensed investment. We are not investment advisors, and therefore, if you act on any information you learn here, we advise you to check or follow up with your licensed investment advisor. Now, Vancouver Value Investors. For those of you who are new here, I'll go over a brief introduction about what we do. Now, the purpose of this group is to promote the principles of sound investing. And by sound principles of sound investing, I mean long-term focus, acting as stakeholder owners in the companies we purchase, limiting leverage, and focusing on fundamentals, among other principles that have served me and served many members here over the years. These are some of the key points. Again, we're here to promote successful entrepreneurs and to foster a dialogue between them and the investment community. We're here to build an investor community where members can exchange ideas and learn from each other. We're here to assist members in achieving their financial goals and preserving their wealth. What VVI is not about, we're not about selling you information, tips, or ideas to make money. We're not about making profits for ourselves. VVI was, is, and will always remain a free platform accessible to the community as a whole. VVI is not in the business of promoting businesses or companies for the purpose of collecting fees. VVI is not about introducing yet another source of noise and confusion to the unsuspecting public and the average investor. Your wealth creation starts by not giving your money to us, but by actually investing it in the market or in your business. Recently, the club went through a reorganization where I've taken full responsibility for the club. As a result of this reorganization, we've decided to introduce 4 new features. The first one is the Entrepreneur Series, where we'll be inviting BC-based entrepreneurs to attend our meetings and to present to our members. The purpose of inviting entrepreneurs is a dual purpose. The first purpose is to help our members understand better different businesses and industries, thus making them better stock appraisers as they understand the industries they invest in. And the second advantage of having entrepreneurs or business managers is to foster the idea of thinking as stake owners in companies. Companies are not just numbers changing on a ticker, but they're managed by people who are limited by real physical world limitation. Hopefully this dialogue will help shape your perspective as you converse with different entrepreneurs and business managers as we develop this series. The second feature is the debate table. The debate table on regular basis will be organizing an expert panel to discuss and debate issues of interest. The advantage with the panel format is we can get exposure to a wide range of ideas and perspectives on matters of interest, and members will have an opportunity to interact with the panelists once they finish their discussion. The third feature is the expert guest series. On an ongoing basis, we will be inviting competent fund managers and investment professionals to come and present to our members. The experts will cover a diverse range of investment topics, ranging from value to growth to bond to balance investing, thus offering our members a larger spectrum of investment themes and investment tools they can use in their own investment endeavors. Finally, we will have a video library where we will film, post, and archive everything that is done here for our members and potential members to view and consult in the future.